Hello, trading community. Good afternoon to you. According to my time, it's 1:15 in the afternoon, GMT +3. I want to prepare a very short video regarding how we can use stop funds and strong support or resistance to find very, very powerful moves in the market. Earlier on, I've prepared videos on how to look for stop funds and benefit from them. But I think the videos that I made earlier are using the videos. In the videos, I did not indicate where you can expect the market to turn. In this case, I'm going to prepare a short video. I'll have 1 to 2 samples showing you how you can, when the week ends, you can determine where stops are accumulated and then determine where price will go when the week starts. And that is exactly where there is a strong support or resistance. So you have 2 weapons to help you determine where the market will go when the new week starts. You have an accumulation of stops, and then you have actually three tools, not 2. One is accumulation of stops. Where are stops accumulated? Because we are most retail traders like me are short-term traders. We do not hold trades for a long time. We want to get short moves and make money in the market. When our capital grows, we'll probably have bigger ambitions. But right now, as a short-term trader, when the weekends go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour, see where stops accumulated. 1, 2, what is the trend, and 3, where is a strong support or resistance? Because as a retail trader, the market makers will try to lure you into following the trend. But believe me, trend ends when market makers have accumulated enough stops, and that is, in most cases, is at a strong support or resistance. So let us, I'm going to cite EURUSD in this case. So this is Friday. This was 11th of this month. This is where the week ended. This was Friday, and looking at this, I see this downtrend here. Look at this. I see this downtrend. See this downtrend. So it's clear that price will continue to fall when the new week starts, but it will not fall indefinitely. It will fall until when they have accumulated enough stops and price comes into strong support. So let me see. Let me go to the H4 let us let me press F12 and we'll see what happened when the new week started. So yeah, this is when the new week started. See how they started the week. They trick you into thinking that price is going up, and so you have another lower high here. Let me push again. Then price went down. This was Monday. It went down, went down, went down. Okay, this is a sort of accumulation here. Yeah. Let us see what happened here. Let us see where there is a strong support. Yeah, let me show you guys. So see this, see what happened. This is exactly what I was telling you. This is a pure market maker buying model because you have strong support here. See this? This is strong support. So price fell down, and so the market makers tricked you into thinking that price will continue just to fall indefinitely because you had this strong move down. See? But when price hit this level here, it turned. It turned in this area here and went up for how many pips? 73 pips. See, 73 pips. So, so what you should do is determine when the week ends, determine the trend. In this case, we had a downtrend. We don't need a short-term or long-term moves. We just need long-term moves as retail traders. So determine the trend. 1, and the trend is downtrend, and 2, see where stops are accumulated. We saw stops accumulated in this area and this area. And 3, look for a strong support that might hold price. this was the strong support. In this case, we might have gone in by buying this small pin bar here, which closed at noon on 14th of September of November. This was 17 pips wide for a huge reward of 58 pips. And the take profit in this case was quite clear because you had this move here. It's quite clear in my opinion. Let me clear this. Let me clear everything. So see this, where would we exit it about this pin bar here? We know that for sure price would clear because this was a fake move. Let me show you. This was a fake move here. So after the market makers had cleared this move here, and well, we can assume safely that they will come up to this gap. So there's a small gap here. This is a fair value gap here. We are sure that they would come to cover this gap here, and that is exactly what has happened. So we put our take profit somewhere here, and then go to play golf or do something else. See how powerful that is. You have a 56 pip move, very powerful move. Yeah, that is the first example that I'm going to show you. Let me go to another pair. Let me go to USDJPY. Let me set a week which ended on well, let me go to this. Okay, which week? I go look at my calendar. Let me go to 4th of November. Okay, 4th of November. 4th of November is where? 4th of November. Okay, where is it? Must be somewhere here. Okay, just a moment. 4th of November is 1st of November. Okay, 4th of November is not a good example because by that time this massive stock hunt has already happened. It already happened. So when the week started, the market makers would definitely continue to move up. So it's not a good example. Let me go to 11th. 11th, yeah. 11th of November. This is 8th of November. This is Friday. Yeah. And 11th of November is here. Okay. It's quite clear, guys. So the week ended here. This is where the week ended. 8th of November. See, accumulation of stops. That's the first thing. Here we have stops here. And we have stops here, accumulated here. And what is the trend? It's a clear down trend for me. It's a clear down trend because we had break of structure here, break of structure to the downside, and then this move up, which seems to like a lower high to me. So we know that when the week starts, for sure, we will have a price moving into a strong support before moving up. As we see that price came up to this point and fell down heavily. I don't want to go to the extent of us finding out why, but let us study this short-term move first. So let me go to H4 and you see where there's strong support or resistance around this day. So it's here. See, where is strong support? Where is it, guys? It's right here. Oh, strong support here in this area. Here. It's quite clear. That was a straightforward trade. You see? And if I go to daily, let me go to daily. Where do you see it daily? See this? This is strong resistance here, somewhere here, which indicates that it indicates that if you buy from this area, you'll not have this very strong move, but you have a powerful move. I mean, not long move, but a strong one. So let me go to H1 again. H1 here. So when the week started here, this was the 8th of November, 11th, 12th. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Here, you buy from here. See? You buy from here. Well, depending on what you see on the higher time frame, then you might have exited here. I'm not sure. But this is up for discussion since in the higher time frame, we see price at a strong resistance. Probably would have looked for a sell opportunity instead of a buying opportunity. See, daily is telling you that we are at a higher time frame resistance. So H4, yeah, H4, H1. What do you see, guys? This so price goes down, they lower you into thinking that it's going to be a sell, and then price went up to here. See what time was this? Let me go to H4. This is what you have, guys. Here you would sell this. You would sell this at a non-GMT plus 3 my time. You would sell this. Where would you exit? You have accumulation of stops here. You have accumulation of stops here. Because this, let me show you, this was a stop hunt. This was a massive stop hunt, which in fact was visible on Friday. Let me just a moment. It is too dangerous. Yeah. So I hope you see this. This was a massive stop hunt. This one here. So after the market makers had cleared these stops here, I find no reason for them to stop here. So you would sell here and exit after they have cleared these stops down here. That will give you how many pips? 53 powerful pips. 53 powerful pips. See how strong this is. So what will you do again? This was Friday. Okay, this was Friday. Earlier on I said that I see a downtrend, but I think I wouldn't say this was a downtrend. I wouldn't say this was a downtrend. So, well, this is up for discussion, guys. I'm not a guru. I'm just trying to learn like you. But see, clear accumulation of stops. Price is at a strong resistance looking at daily. So you know that when the new week begins, we look for a selling opportunity, not a buying opportunity. See? So one, accumulation of stops. Two, support, strong support or resistance, which in this case it was here. You see? And then it was just a fall. You see? It was just a fall. And in this case, as I indicated in my earlier video, you had this stop hunt here. You had this stop hunt here. Here. So let me see if I can get another example from this case, USD card. Let me go to another Monday, one of the Mondays, 11th, no, too much 11th, no. Let me go to 28th of October. 28th of October. 28th October. This was 29th. 28th was here. And this is in 28th of October was a Monday here. 25th, 28th here. 28th of October. This just a moment, guys. 28th of October was a Monday. I want to go to 25th. 25th of October. 25th of October. It was here. Here, right here, okay? This is interesting to me because we have accumulation of stops here, here, and here. And then if I go, it seems to me that the price is already at a strong support. Okay, it is at a strong support. Let me confirm this. Price seems to be at a strong support. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, see this? To me, this is a strong support here. So you know straight away that when the new week begins, we look for buying opportunities. And there won't be a lot of stop hunting to the downside because a price has already hit a wall. This is a wall. I'm going to call this a wall. Price hit a solid wall. So stop to the side corner. Okay. Here. This is what the price has hit a wall. So we know when the new week begins, we will buy. That's the only thing. See, we'll look for buying opportunities. Yeah, quite simple, guys. So what do? Yeah, this was 24th, this was 25th, 28th, it's a Monday. Okay, Monday here. This would be very dangerous to handle because whenever you see equal lows like this, you have to hold on until when you see something clear. Is this one? Let me go to H4. See it better. Here. Here, because you have this, you see these are their equal lows here. Equal lows, up, stop hand to the upside. To where you have accumulation of stops, because to me, I see this as a stop hand. You see this as a stop hand. All of this is a stop hand here. So if they have cleared stops on this side, they must come this far here, or at least here, because we have this gap here. We have this gap here, which must be filled as price goes up. Yeah. So guys, please don't take this as it is. Please go through the charts, do a lot of exercises, and challenge me. But this is what I've discovered. You have, but as long as you have a clear trend on the weekends, you have a clear trend, you have accumulation of stocks, and you know where there is strong support resistance can hold the price. You have the money. Thank you very much. Please practice this and please ask me questions. Thank you very much. Okay.